Welcome to Help channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.
Dear students of Senior KG, welcome to Help EDUCARE tutorial. In this tutorial, you will able to revise your chapters in the form of questions and answers. Today, we will practice the first lesson of English term first book, that is, letters of the alphabet. Now let us begin with first question, which is based on all the 26 letters of alphabet. Students, I hope you all know the uppercase and lowercase letters of the alphabet. There are 26 apples including red and green apples. Some apples have letter written on it and some have missing. We have to put missing letters on the apples. Remember, the letter should be in uppercase only. Are you ready now? Here we see that first apple has letter A, and fourth apple has letter D written on it. But second, third and fifth apple has missing letters. We have to put the correct letters on it. What comes after A? Yes, you are right. B comes after A, and C comes after B. So put letters B and C on the apples. D comes after C, which is already on the apple. E comes after D, so put the letter E on red apple. Now, F comes after E, put the same on the apple. G comes after F, which is already written on the apple. H comes after G, put the letter H on red apple. I comes after H, which is already written on the apple. J comes after I, so put the letter J on red apple. Now K comes after J, which is already there on the red apple. What comes after K? Right, L comes after K. So put the letter L on the green apple. M and N comes after L, which are already there on apples. But what comes after N? Yes, O comes after N. Put letter O on red apple. P comes after O, which is already on red apple. Q comes after P, and R comes after Q. So, put the letters Q on green apple, and R on red apple. S comes after R, which is already there. T comes after S, already there. U comes after T, put the same on the apple. V comes after U, which is already written on red apple. W comes after V, put the letter W on the apple. Now the last three letters are X, Y, and Z. So put the letters Y and Z on the apples. Dear students, we have finished this question. Now, we will sing the ABC song and enjoy. But don't go anywhere. We have to solve much interesting question after the song. I hope you enjoyed the ABC song. Now, we will solve the next question. In this question, we have to put the beginning lowercase letters. First we take an example. Here you see two pictures and its name below. But the beginning letters are missing. What you see in first picture? Right, it is a picture of a tiger. What is written below the picture? Oh, the beginning letter is missing. First we spell the word tiger. That is T-I-G-E-R, where T is the beginning letter. We have to put letter T at beginning. In the same way, we will solve for the next picture. It is the picture of a banana. And we spell it as B-A-N-A-N-A. Its beginning letter is B. So, we put the letter B. Students, I hope you have learnt how to put the beginning letter. Go ahead. It is the picture of a fruit which taste is sweet. What is the name of this fruit? Mango. And the beginning letter of it is letter M. So, put the beginning letter M. The second picture is of a yacht. It moves in water. Y is the beginning letter of yacht. So, put the letter Y. Third picture is of a van. What is the beginning letter of van? Write the beginning letter of van is V. So, put the letter V. Here, we see an elephant. Elephant is a big animal. And the beginning letter of elephant is E. So, put the beginning letter E. It is a pet animal. Goat. The beginning letter of goat is G. So, we write G as the beginning letter. Students, are you seeing the picture of a colorful rainbow? The beginning letter of rainbow is R. So, put the letter R as a beginning letter. Next picture is of a watch. Watch is used to know time. The beginning letter of watch is W. So, put the letter W at beginning. This is the picture of a donkey. It is used to carry burden. The beginning letter of donkey is D. Put the letter D. What you see in third picture? You are absolutely right. It is a picture of a cap. And the beginning letter of cap is C. So, put the letter C. This is an Xmas tree. What do you think about its beginning letter? Yes, put the letter X here. The next picture is of a nest. N is the beginning letter. So, put the letter N here. It is a hen, and the beginning letter of hen is H. So, put the letter H here. The name of this animal is zebra. The beginning letter of zebra is Z. So, put the letter Z as a beginning letter of zebra. Are you seeing the picture of a queen? Do you know what is the beginning letter of queen? Okay, put the letter Q here. And it is the picture of a joker. Its beginning letter is J. So, the letter J here. What is this? Right, this is an ice cream and you like it very much. First, tell me the beginning letter of it. Yes, you told right. So, put the letter I. Next picture is of a lamp that gives us light in the night. The beginning letter of lamp is L. Put the same. The bee gives us the sweet honey, and we spell it as B, E, E. So, put the beginning letter B for it. The next picture is of an umbrella that protects us from the rain. The letter U is the beginning letter of it. So put the letter U. Students, do you know the name of next picture? It is a star. So put the beginning letter S here. And this is a flower. We all like its good smell. We spell it as Flower. So put the beginning letter F. Here we see a red apple. You always like to eat apple. And also we learn A for apple. So put the beginning letter A here. This picture is of a king. The beginning letter of king is K. So put the letter K. It is an animal that runs very slowly. What is the name of this animal? It is a turtle. The beginning letter of turtle is T. So put the beginning letter T. This is the picture of a pumpkin. The beginning letter of pumpkin is P. Put the letter P as the beginning letter. This is the picture of a fruit. And its name is orange. The beginning letter of orange is O. So put the beginning letter O. This picture is of a horse. The horse runs fast. H is the beginning letter of horse. So put the letter H here. Students, this is the third question of first lesson. In this question, we will learn and solve lowercase and uppercase letters of alphabet. In each set, one letter is given and other letter is missing. If given letter is in uppercase, you have to put the same letter in lowercase. And if given letter is in lowercase, you have to put the same in uppercase. Look at the example. In first set, letter H is given in uppercase. So, the missing letter will be letter H in lowercase. Similarly, in second set, letter B is given in lowercase. So, the missing letter will be letter B in uppercase. In this set, letter A is given in uppercase. So, the missing letter will be letter A in lowercase. Here, letter G is given in lowercase. So, the missing letter will be letter G in uppercase. Students, here, letter Z is given in uppercase. Therefore, the missing letter will be letter Z in lowercase. Here, letter M is given in uppercase. Students, what do you think? Right, the missing letter will be letter M in lowercase. Letter D is given in lowercase. Therefore, we will put letter D in uppercase here. Again, letter R is given in lowercase. Therefore, letter R in uppercase should be at missing place. In this set also, letter F is given in lowercase. So, the missing letter will be letter F in uppercase. Now, letter Q is given in uppercase. Therefore, we will put letter Q in lowercase here. Students, here, letter L is given in lowercase. So, the missing letter will be letter L in uppercase. Here, letter J is given in uppercase. Students, what do you think? Right, the missing letter will be letter J in lowercase. In this set, letter N is given in lowercase. So, the missing letter will be letter N in uppercase. Now, letter S is given in uppercase. Therefore, we will put letter S in lowercase here. Students, here, letter M is given in lowercase. So, the missing letter will be letter M in uppercase. Here, letter X is given in uppercase. So, the missing letter will be letter X in lowercase. In this set also, letter G is given in uppercase. Therefore, we will put letter G in lowercase here. Here, letter I is given in lowercase. Students, what you think? Right. The missing letter will be letter I in uppercase. Now, letter Q is given in uppercase. Therefore, we will put letter Q in lowercase here. In this last set, letter E is given in lowercase. Therefore, letter E in uppercase should be at missing place. Students, you have completed first chapter of English term first book. For better score in exam, watch this videos again and again. You will learn next chapters in others videos. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.